Hello everyone, this is 2016 Honda Civic. Today I'm working to do a vacuum leak test before we call the compressor shot and need to be replaced. The car is rebuilt title, so it came with cooling issue. When I checked the pressure, it was empty, like no gas in it, no refrigerant. But I want to confirm that it does not have a leak before we recharge, and I'll give it if let's go one by one. So first I'm setting up a vacuum leak test. I'll pull vacuum. This is the 2016 Honda Civic, the infamous generation 10, famous with the bad compressor. Dealership it has extended warranty, but dealership refuses to cover it because it's rebuilt title. So today, here is the setup. So the first, we're gonna do a vacuum leak test, where I'm gonna pull vacuum for about half an hour. Right now we are at, so let me go through the setup. A vacuum pump, the connector connected to the blue to the low pressure, red to the high pressure. This is a manifold, pressure gauge manifold for the 123 YF, and both are open. Both valves are open all the way to the left, lefty loosey, right? And we're gonna hold for 30 minutes. I'm gonna pull vacuum for 30 minutes. Come back, close these two valves. When I say open and close, means you open the hose. The hose is always, the pressure gauge is always connected to the hose. So when you hear somebody say close the valve, means closest to the manifold. So when I close, I'll come back after half an hour, close the two valves, monitor this for another half an hour. Basically see if the system is a vacuum rated or not, like or there is a hole in it somewhere, a leak. This is a collective test. It will not tell where the leak is. It will just tell if there is a leak or not. Be back in half an hour. All right, it's 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes. This is where the gauges are. What I'm gonna do now is, before I shut the pump off, I'm gonna close. Closing again means that now the system is sealed. Turn this completely tight. Also this one really tight. So now then turn the pump off. Okay. So the system now is sealed. We'll wait for another half an hour. We'll be back for half an hour. After half an hour. It's been 43 minutes and we are right at the same spot. That's really good, at least good indication there is no leak. Moving next, I'm gonna pull more vacuum now. Remember, everything here closed. I'm gonna open and pull more vacuum to get all the moisture out of the system. It's a process, guys, okay? So you pull vacuum, you hold the vacuum, you pull vacuum again to pull extra moisture. Then the fourth will be adding the coolant. All right, so I'm moving to charge it with the system. Charge it with this. So we're gonna go here. This is everything closed here. Once I open the valve to the refrigerant, I have to come here with this, vent the air. Before I open only the low. I won't be able to film that. So you vent it from here and try to do it. I think I will need a flathead screwdriver, will be better. Just hard to do it. But anyway, you push this little bit to get till you get the refrigerant out, which means that your air is out, like this. Okay. There is refrigerant here now. Now I'm gonna watch what's gonna happen. I'm gonna open this. Only the left, only the low, and the pressure will go up, and it will start to go down. I'm going now down inside the car and starting the car. In the car now, I'm gonna put it in AC, low, and you want the fan to be at the lowest. At the lowest. And you need it in recycle. Yeah, it's in recycle. Let's go outside, see, hopefully the clutch engaged. So the clutch is engaged, which is good. You need to keep this, and you also look here, you can see things are going in. This the pressure below, and that's the high. Okay, we'll wait. Okay, so the can is empty. This car calls for 300, the minimum charge 375.375, which is about 15 ounce. The tub is, I'm sorry, the tub is 15 ounce, so I'm putting 12 ounce. Then we'll run the car and see how it works in the next few days. This is to conclude the video. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video if you do like it, and share. Thank you.